Hey everybody, I don't really have a specific tutorial for you this week on a skill. I'm going to let Adobe TV take care of that, but I did want to just check in and make sure that I explain in person or here on video a little bit about the assignment through an example. And one main thing that you need to know how to do for this wordplay assignment is to treat you've got a word or phrase that you've typed in some sort of font or typeface, and you want to remember from lessons past how to treat these letters individually. So say we have this word tall. We used our type tool with a single click to get it in there. It's 48 point size, and it's this font that I randomly chose. And what I want to do is, right now I can, I could make the letters tall like so. I could expand them like that. I could stretch it, etc. But I want to make sure you guys know how to treat the letters individually, and that, to repeat, is we make the type outlines. And once you've got the type outlines, if we zoom in a little bit, you've got a couple things that have happened. First of all, you can actually use your direct select tool, the white arrow, as we've talked about in the past through with the pen tool lessons, to expand individual pieces of the letter. So now I can, for instance, take the top of this T and extend it as so. So that's one important thing to think about, is how to take portions of the letter and expand them as a whole. The other thing is that you can actually select, now that I have this expanded, I can actually select individual letters. So if I select my A with my white arrow, and then I click on my black arrow, which is the main selection tool, now you'll notice that I've actually selected just the A. So that's a really useful thing to understand, because I can now move into letters independently. And for this wordplay assignment, you want to be able to really think about how you might tweak them to give your word, your chosen phrase, a voice of its own. So here I am again. I've got the L. So I select my direct select, grab the L, move to main select, and I can independently move that L. And you can maybe get a sense of what I'm doing here. Grab my T with my direct select tool, switch to my main select tool. Now with my direct selection tool, I can grab all of those, switch to selection, and now I can move them all at once. Once I have something that I want, I can actually group it if I want to do that. And I can still, with my direct select tool,